Today I wanted to go over our S197 rear suspension kit and some of the features that it has. We originally started working with Ford in 2005 on this kit when they came out with the new 3-link rear suspended Mustang. They were having issues with traction and were looking for an aftermarket suspension kit. So it's a long story, but we developed this for Ford Racing, and then along came the Cobra Jet project, and they chose this suspension kit for the Cobra Jet project. But throughout the years we've developed it, and the Cobra Jet is no longer a 3-link rear suspension because the car switched over to an IRS, and they have a whole new suspension setup for the Cobra Jets. But we've evolved the kit for ourselves and for our customers over the years. The kit comes with a double adjustable lower, again with a really good 36,000 pound pull-out load Heim with a Kevlar nylon race. One of the unique features is our integrated anti-roll bar. It is integrated into the lower control arm brackets, so you don't put it up in the car. It's actually a true bolt-in. It bolts in place of the stock sway bar on the rear frame rail, so the links go upward and bolt in the stock location where the stock sway bar went. Our upper bracket has 2 adjustment holes on it for different instant centers, and we've got an extremely beefy upper control arm with a high Durmeter urethane bushing and a 8620 tool steel sleeve in it, and of course an aluminum spherical bushing. The kit's really reasonably priced for what you have. You can check it out on our website, www.teamzmotorsports.net, and check us out on Facebook and our other social media sites like Instagram and TikTok. Thanks.